In today's video, I'm going to teach you changing profile picture on ClickUp, Quick Guide. This is one of the quickest personalizations you can make in ClickUp, and it helps teammates recognize you at a glance. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you know exactly where everything lives and how to save your changes properly. First, log into your ClickUp account. Once you're in your workspace, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small circular icon that represents your profile. If you haven't uploaded a photo before, this circle will most likely show the initials you used when creating your account. That same area is also where you'll find other personal options like themes and settings, so it's a good spot to get familiar with. Go ahead and click your profile circle. From the menu that appears, choose the option to upload your avatar. Next, select Upload. Your computer's file picker will open. Browse to the image you want to use, select it, and confirm. ClickUp will now show a preview and a cropping tool. Use the slider or handles to position your image so your face is centered and clearly visible inside the circle. Take a quick look at the preview to make sure it looks good at a small size. Avatars are tiny in many parts of the app, so clarity matters. When you're happy with it, click Save. If ClickUp prompts you with an additional Save Changes button, be sure to confirm there as well. That final confirmation is important. If you skip it, your picture might not update. Prefer not to upload a photo? You can also change the color behind your initials to give your avatar a cleaner, more personalized look. Just pick a color you like, preview how it appears, and then save it the same way. After saving, check the top right corner again to confirm your new avatar is showing. If it doesn't appear immediately, give the page a quick refresh. A strong, well-lit headshot works best here. Aim for a simple background and keep your face centered so it reads well at smaller sizes. And that's it. You've navigated to your profile, uploaded your avatar, adjusted the crop, and saved your changes. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If it helped, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss more quick guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.